Well, after 330,000 kilometers, the little commuter car, Dad's go-kart, needs new rear brakes. So follow along and we'll diagnose and teach you how to do that. Okay, so first we placed our jack in a safe location so then we could jack the car up and get the wheels off the ground, and we put jack stands under it for extra safety. Next, we took off the hubcaps and we took off the lug nuts and took off the wheels. Also, make sure that your park brake is not engaged so you can pull this off, or else it's gonna be pushing on the edge, you're not gonna get it off. But you should be able to just give it a nice tug and hopefully it's not stuck on the shoes. Get to it. That easy. So as we had a look, there was no real failure point or smoking gun of anything wrong. I mean, the drums are a little bit worn, and so are the brake shoes themselves. Probably should replace those sometime. But watch this. Now I can't even line it up. Hold on. There we go. That's the noise that we've been hearing and we're looking for. So as you can see, there is a bunch of rust flakes and a little bit of dirt in there, as well as it is bent in some places, but we're thinking that we're just going to take a scraper and scrape all this out, see if that solves our problem. So if you can see in the time lapse there, we scraped that little groove on the backing plate. We also scraped the outside as well, just to see if that would do anything. We also did the drum as well, because there was a bunch of rust and flakes and stuff all over. But now, a little bit of a noise, but basically none. So now we're going to move on to the other side and do the same thing.
All right, well, check this out. It's kind of hard to move and stuff because of all the rust flakes and everything. So we'll do the same to this side. So I just used a screwdriver to clean this groove out. Look at all that chunks of stuff coming out. Pretty bad. And then this groove here in the drum, just kind of make sure that's clean as well. There we go. So we'll do that. Take this like banana knife, we'll scrape the outside of the backing plate. Okay, so that's all done. And then I'm going to use this scraper here because there's like some little bent sections, and we're just going to kind of try and straighten that out a little bit. Hopefully that won't rub as well. I don't know why that would be bent up like that. Maybe from when I was doing wheel bearings on this a while ago. Anyway. And then of course, Now we'll just kind of gently blow all the rust flakes out so they don't damage or wear the brakes themselves. Should probably wear a dust mask. You don't want to breathe this stuff in. Fix that one little spot. Okay. You ready, Link? Let's see if it works. Okay, something's going on here. Oh, there we go. I think we got it.
I think so. Now that that's all done, we're going to put the wheels back on, the lug nuts back on, we're going to drop it to the floor, and then we're going to torque it, put the hubcaps back on, and then go for a test drive and see if that fixed our problems. Looks like it's all fixed. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.